Have you ever walked along a beach and wondered why some shores feel soft and powdery beneath your feet while others are covered in pebbles, stones, or even massive rocks? The answer lies in the powerful partnership between nature, time, and geology. Beaches are shaped by the constant battle between the land and the ocean, and every grain of sand or pebble has a story stretching back thousands or even millions of years. A sandy beach forms when waves wind and rivers break down rocks into tiny grains over long periods. These rocks can be granite quartz, basalt, coral, seashells, or minerals carried from mountains far away. As rocks break apart through weathering, they produce smaller and smaller pieces. When waves are gentle and calm, they can easily pick up these fine particles and carry them to the shore. Over time, thousands of waves wash tiny grains onto the coastline, spreading them evenly and creating the smooth, familiar sandy beaches people love. Sandy beaches usually appear in protected areas where the ocean doesn't hit the land with full force, like bays, gulfs, and gently sloping coasts. Calm water allows the smallest grains to settle and remain without being washed away. On the other hand, rocky beaches tell a story of stronger waves, steeper coastlines, and tougher rock formations. In places where waves crash with great power, light sand particles are quickly pulled back into deeper water. Only heavier materials like pebbles, cobbles, and large rocks can stay on the shore. Over time, the constant pounding by waves smooths these stones, turning sharp rocks into round pebbles and polished stones. Rocky beaches are common in areas with cliffs, rugged mountains near the ocean, or coastlines exposed directly to open seas. The rocks you see there often come from nearby cliffs that are slowly eroding, breaking apart, and tumbling down to the shore. Another factor is the geology of the region. If the land near the coast is made of hard rocks like granite or basalt, you are more likely to find rocky beaches. If the coastline is formed from softer materials like limestone or easily breakable sediment, it may produce large amounts of sand. Some beaches are made from coral and shell fragments rather than rock, especially in tropical areas where marine life is abundant. These white, bright beaches form when waves crush coral reefs and shells into fine powder over thousands of years. The shape of the ocean floor also plays a huge role. A shallow, gently sloping sea floor slows down waves as they approach the shore, allowing sand to build up. A steep sea floor means waves hit the shoreline with more force, carrying sand away and leaving behind heavier rocks. Tides, storms, and seasonal winds constantly reshape beaches, sometimes adding sand, sometimes removing it. A sandy beach can turn rocky after a powerful storm, and a rocky beach can slowly collect sand over decades. Human activity can also influence beach type. Construction of harbors, seawalls, and breakwaters can block natural sand movement, causing once sandy beaches to lose their sand. On the other hand, some beaches are artificially nourished by adding sand from other places to make them tourist-friendly. In the end, whether a beach is sandy or rocky is a result of wave energy, rock type, ocean currents, sea floor shape, climate, and time. Each beach is a living, changing system, shaped by forces we often cannot see but can always feel under our feet. Sandy beaches offer soft comfort and long, relaxing walks, while rocky beaches reveal the raw, powerful side of nature, showcasing stones that have been shaped and polished by the ocean's endless rhythm. Both types remind us how dynamic and creative our planet truly is, constantly carving new landscapes and rewriting the coastline with every wave that touches the shore. Like and subscribe.